Wow, everyone, this OPPO K series actually features a fan. It also boasts water resistance, and it even has lights. So these are their brand new OPPO K15 Pro and Pro Plus. This time, both of our phones are in a single color. It's called Cyber Light Wing.
When unboxing this phone, you'll find inside a clear protective case, an 80-watt charger, and a data cable. But it's worth noting the Pro Plus charger reaches 100 watts because its charging speed is much faster. Let's light up the front screen and first take a look at the K15 Pro. It boasts a 6.59-inch display, a 1.5K resolution, and a super smooth 144 Hz high refresh rate. It even comes with full-screen AOD functionality. The Pro Plus model has an even larger 6.78-inch screen and a higher 165 Hz refresh rate. Both of these phones also feature OPPO's Crystal Shield glass, and on the side, a 6 Series aluminum alloy frame, which is quite rare to see this year. But what truly made this phone fun for me was its back ID design. Look, the sublimated layered panel is very unique. Quite recognizable, isn't it? And this camera module, it barely protrudes. The direct benefit is whether you hold it horizontally or vertically, you almost don't feel the camera module at all. What's even more special, look, they gave a metal plate, stick it on, and then I can magnetically change the shape of my camera module. Now, just imagine this. You'll be able to print all sort of camera modules, place them right on your phone's back panel, making it truly unique. And inside this camera module, look at this section. Hey, it's got hidden lights. That's right. This phone, wow, they've created 3 lighting effects. And in the settings, there are 7 gradient options for you to choose from. You can also customize different colors for games or notifications. Besides the lights, inside this camera module, look here, it also hides a cooling fan. Folks, wow, this air vent is really well hidden. After seeing this product's design, don't you think this OPPO K series truly aims to please young people? But is just the appearance enough to please young people? No, it also needs what? Performance. So the K15 Pro here has the Dimensity 8550 Super, and the Pro Plus has the Dimensity 9500S. We won't test the Pro Plus. You're all too familiar with the 9500S. So we'll focus on this Dimensity 8550 Super paired with the so-called this Gale cooling engine, this fan, right? What's its performance like? Half an hour of LOL, average frame rate 120.1 FPS, and power consumption 5 watts. I think we can only say its gaming performance is okay. Pause. What about the fan? So we tested League of Legends for another hour. Pause. Without the fan, the phone's body hit 42 degrees. Then we turned on the fan, played for another hour, and the phone's temperature hit over 39 degrees. The phone's temperature dropped by 2 to 3 degrees, and the game's frame rate was no different from when we started. It's really true. This fan is not only durable, pause, it's actually very useful. As for other peripheral specs, you'll easily notice dual speakers, X-axis linear motor, infrared, and NFC. Both devices have these, and the Pro Plus also features shoulder buttons. What we'd like to highlight is the camera system on both these phones is not just on the Pro Plus, but also on the Pro. The main camera is 50 megapixels with optical image stabilization. Oh, honestly, when OPPO first told me they'd send a K-series product for me to experience, I was quite worried. Because with memory prices rising, we were genuinely concerned they'd cut corners everywhere. But after trying it, I even feel this K-series is a bit of an upgrade. How do you all feel after watching the launch event? Bye-bye?